Okay, welcome to those who are here already. Um, I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna start running through a few stocks that I would like to look at this morning. So it looks like there's a lot of stocks that ran all the way to limit up yesterday. Well, not limit up, but a lot of stocks who held really high percent gains, like 36%, 34%, 30%, 20%. So I'm gonna just run through all of these stocks, see if there can be any potential plays that I'm looking out for this morning. Okay, KSSC looks like volume came in pretty late yesterday. Let's check out if it has any history of running. So it had a gap up, limit up, but doesn't look like there's been much breakout action from this particular counter. And on the daily chart, doesn't look like it's really a stock that has been running up, because the last time it flew up, it didn't hold any of its gains. It came all the way back down. So not much to this, not much expectations to this guy. But we'll just see how it plays out in the morning. Maybe if he can give us a nice morning move, then we can look at it. L Steel traded this yesterday. Nice quick little morning breakout. Let's see if there's any more momentum on this counter today. Possible momentum, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep a good eye on this because it's been running for 2 days in a row. So possible day 3, possible 3 green days in a row. On the daily chart, we've broken past the recent resistance, so I'm not too worried about resistance. The next resistance I see is about almost at the 1 ringgit level. But that resistance is from all the way back in 2008. So oops, I'm not sure why the stream crashed for a quick second there. But we're back. Okay, so back to L Steel. Yeah, there's not really much resistance that I can see. So the other one is Bintai. Looking pretty sharp. Had a strong morning move. I mean, it limit up, no morning move. Strong day yesterday. I'm expecting it to continue its momentum. I think there'll be pretty good breakouts on Bintai today, but we'll wait and see. So I'm watching these two closely, Bintai and Solution, because Solution, they're both pharmaceutical stocks. And with the news of vaccine recently, not surprising that they are running up, following Moderna, who has been having a nice run up from $70-ish to about $160. It looks like the market is open. Let's see what we have. Currently, I'm watching, and Chubi is just another stock that limit up as well, but not too sure what I can do with this. So let's just give it a few minutes to see how this morning plays out. Bintai is selling off. L Steel has no action at all. So I guess my main contenders today will be Bintai and Solution this morning. Before we get into any plays, I want to play my disclaimer to make sure that you understand that trading is risky and you should not just blindly follow what I do. Instead, you should learn the strategy and try to understand it before you start to put any money into the market. Bintai holding red to green. Pretty good. Bouncing between yesterday's close. Struggling to push his way out. See if we can give any morning momentum like yesterday. Or any kind of strong morning momentum like L Steel yesterday. You want to see some strong green bars at the morning open to show that the buyers are in. The buyers are here. So you can check out the orders on the left. It's slowly pushing its way up. Juby as well, going crazy. Have a quick look on the gainers of the day. Okay. You can see that for now in the price levels, the orders are heavily skewed towards the buy side. So I am expecting some move upwards in the morning. Maybe up to 120. Huge sell order on 120, 1 ringgit 20 cents. So you gotta see if it can break through that level and give us continuation. Not ideal that the sell-off came so early. I would have liked to see a bigger morning spike. L Steel's completely dead. No volume. Quite a big dip coming in from Bintai. Might try to catch a small rebound. Potentially off the 1 ringgit level. If it would dip that low. Oh, here we go, Euro. Euro's dipping hard right now. Okay, yeah, I've been waiting for this euro dip in for quite a while. Hopefully we can try to get some rebound. Some sort of rebound on this. Huge dip coming in from euro. Okay. Looks like there's some sort of buying coming in for euro. Good to see. I actually bought the dip around 221 right here. So let's see how far this can go. Hopefully it can give us a solid rebound all the way up to like 240s. I'm in for a small amount. 45,000 shares. So about 450 lots at 221. Hopefully we can see some sort of rebound. Yep, good. Really nice dip buy. Really nice dip buy. Hopefully we can see it break 2.4. Push all the way back up 2.5 will be perfect. Seeing a bit of sell-off, not ideal. Need a bit more buying power to push it up. Hoping to see the buying power come in to clear the 2.4 orders. Right now, there's a bit of selling at 2.39, but okay. Hopefully, can clear 2.4 soon. So it's all just a waiting game now. Looking for enough buyers to come in and clear off 2.4. Oh, what a dip from Solution. I sold most of my shares in here. Not ideal. About 2.32 average. Still holding this 100 lots. Didn't like how it was holding up, so wanted to get rid of it. Wanted to exit my position as soon as possible. And I cleared the rest into 2.38. So not bad. Not a bad trade at all. Really quick dip. Obviously, I would have liked to see it push through higher. But that's fine. Managed to catch it down here. If you don't see the buyers coming in, you can be the buyer as well. So I decided to put some of my size on and managed to catch pretty nice rebound. Obviously, this is quite a small rebound, I'd say. Even though it's a 13% rebound. For what Euro has done. Such a huge run. I expect a huge dip coming soon. But this is still okay. So you're interested in the orders. Let me give you a quick look. There you go. Euro. Bought it. And I bought it twice actually. I bought it twice at the 2.21. So down at about here, 2.21. Sold a huge chunk to an average of about 2.32, and the rest at 2.38. Quick little trade. Start the morning. Made about another 3 grand, I'd say. Patiently waiting for these moves to come. Wow, damn. This would have been a much better dip buy. Wow, look at the rebound. Yeah, I missed this one as well. I wanted to, if you remember, if you caught what I said earlier, I was looking for a bounce near $1. So 103 bounce might or might not have played it. Oh well. So when even though these stocks have like decent morning moves. If it pulls back its whole move, I usually do not look for any plays from the day high breakout. I usually like to see it maybe pull back about at most half the move, so at most around here. If it pulls back all the way down, the amount of buying it takes to bring it all the way up is probably gonna exhaust most of the buyer's capital already. So by the time it hits the breakout, there's not much money left to be put into the stock. So the potential for it to fly is very low. Okay. Quiet day today. Not many viewers. That's okay. You know that I'm here every single morning, so you can drop by anytime. So largest percent gainer, Hoa Gunting. Ooh. Seems like it tried to break out, but it faked a bit. Potentially a play if it comes back up. What was today? High 98.5. Pullback's coming in, so a decent break of the recent resistance. Potential entry, yes, definitely a potential entry here. If it can hold the view up, this blue line, and if I can see sort of an ascending wedge, see it bounce back up here, I will try to enter at 98.5. How does pharmaceuticals doing? Bit of a sell-off happening. Place my alert here in case HWGB pushes back up. To be not ideal. Really not ideal. Not to say that it can't go up. I'm just saying that it doesn't have a nice consolidation structure for it to pique any interest of any other people, any other traders. Hello, how are you? Bintai and solution. Probably won't play these unless they give me a nice breakout structure. You should know by now the usual up, down, flat, up. Euro, no sign of recovery, so I guess the exit was pretty okay. Might look for another dip if you can dip back down like this. So I'll just send alert around 220. So if it drops below 220, which is the previous low, I'll know that it's starting to dip. But now we just play the waiting game since there's not many candidates. So look, okay, it is bouncing on this ascending trend line. So I'm gonna look for potential entry towards the 98.5 cent line. Everything else looks like the volume is really low. Only HWGB has pulled about 100 million volume. Everything else is about 1 mil volume and really small, so 90 cents, 80 cents. Peng Yuan with $4. So this might have some substance here. Been running for a few days now, so I'm sure many people are looking at this stock. But I'm looking at this one. Looking for a quick entry. Just give it some time to slowly crawl its way back up. Let's just have a look and see if HWGB has had any strong breakouts in the past. You can see most of the action has been quite choppy. No significant sign of momentum. It always just has one burst of buying, and that's it. So today the graph looks a lot better. Hopefully that attracts more buyers to come in. So if you're in the chat or if you're watching the replay, don't forget to drop a like so that I become famous one day, you know. Yo, connect. Not much action going on right now, just HWGB potential play. If you can hold this, if you can hold the view up and hit the day high again. Yeah, my number one fan. Dips. Missed it. I hit a dip earlier on Euro. I was expecting a larger dip because this has the same style of like Gets and Vivocom, where they just keep running and running every single day. So like Gets just run, and eventually it will dip. Vivocom as well. If you run, keeps going up, eventually it will dip. So it's a pretty solid dip from Euro. Sadly, the rebound wasn't that nice. But again, it's still a gain. Can't complain. You see this huge candle? I keyed in the wrong order. So it took out every single, I keyed in the wrong size. So it took out every single share that was available until 2 ringgit 30 cents. I wanted to sell at 235, like here. But then it took out everything up to 230. Sold about twice the size that I wanted actually. So unlucky. To be in Thai. Let's give the gloves a quick look. Wow. Gloves are so shit. Oh my god. This is what gloves have become. From Titans all the way down to dumps. Oh my god, this is so sad to see. All the gloves are basically dead. Adventa with 50,000 shares traded. And back then it used to have 1 million shares on the first minute. Oh, that's sad. So just gonna keep an eye on the pharmaceuticals in case they break out from the vaccine hype. The descending trend line, if it breaks above here, potentially you look to enter day high. Solution is already gonna break its day high, but the morning setup is quite weak for a breakout. Yeah, not a big fan of this setup, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Bin Thai, I'm not sure either, but doesn't seem like there's much else. SP Satya. I'm just going through the highest percentage gainers and just looking for potential breakouts, but doesn't look like there's many. Oh, HWGB with a big buy order, big buy minute candle. Looks like if it can hold around this level, looks like it's holding up pretty okay. Potential entry at 98.5, which is the high of the day. Hoping for it to hit about, hoping for the break of one ringgit, definitely. Then maybe pushing up. How far can it go before it hits a resistance? Well, the biggest resistance is right here, 135, but that's a fair bit away. Oh, 98. There we go, we have 98. Wow, huge sell at 1 ringgit. No surprise. Making me contemplate if I want to even try and enter this, because the resistance is so large at 1 ringgit. I might give it a chance with like really small size. Looks like people are starting to sell because they see a huge 10 million resistance all the way to 1 ringgit. So they start to panic and they let it go. But let's see if we if there's enough buyers to support this selling pressure. That's what we want to see. We want to see the buyers come in. We want to see more volume actually. This volume, it doesn't look too good. You can see it's downwards. Okay, buyers are coming in. Okay, I'm in 98.5. Let's hope it can hold. I'm in for like half my usual size. See if we can hold and break $1. We got 99. Can we break 99.5? Wow, okay. A little sell-off right here. Let's see if we have enough buyers to clear all of it. I'll just show you the orders on the side. Okay, we're taking... So there's 2 million shares left at $1. Building up a nice buffer at 99.5. Let's see it clear. Want to see clear $1. Yep, there we go, $1. Let's see it clear 101. Can we clear 101? Turning a bit. It's fine. Let's see if we can break through its $1 mark again. Pretty strong buying momentum. You can see the volume suddenly came in out of nowhere. Hopefully we can break 101. It's breaking $1 already. Nice. That's what I want to see. Break 101. Huge 1 million order at 101. And it break 101. It looks like it's not really breaking 101 right now, but the orders are racking up at $1. Will we see enough buying to clear 101? Huge order at 101. 1.7 million, but we have 1.4 million on $1, so it's pretty balanced right now, the total number of buyers and sellers. To see who has more stamina to keep up this tug of war. Looks like $1 is in the driver's seat right now. Come on, let's clear 1.01. I'm looking for 1.02 and then I'll sell some of my size. Nope. I'm letting it go. I don't like this the selling that's coming. I sold all of it at 99.5. It might pull back up. It might pull back up, but it doesn't look possible. I just saw too many sell orders above $1. Usually my strategy would not allow me to exit so quick, but the resistance was just too high for me. didn't really like the price action happening. So in at 98.5 out of 99.5. Really, really insignificant gain right there. But still some pocket money, I guess. But. Okay, for my next round of petrol. So you can see it's just rejecting now. Bintai actually pushed back up. Okay, solution had some momentum, but didn't go too far. Seems like it. L Steel. Oh, L Steel took a dip already. Ooh. Just watch HWGB for a while. See if we can continue. See if we missed the train. If we jumped off too early. If Bintai can break day high again, this is not an ideal setup, but it might be a valid entry. So I mean, there's not much morning momentum, but since it is riding off a very strong previous day, the momentum can carry forward from the day before. It's not really a clean breakout pattern that I'm fully confident in. So I guess it depends on the order flow. When I see it start to push back up to 118, which is the day high, I will decide to enter based on the order flow and based on the resistance. Seems like 120 is a huge resistance. HWGB is still holding this same level. Might be accumulating for a big move up, but we're out of the position, so we just watch from the side. Will it break 101 this time? Seems like there are buyers, but there's just not enough buyers to clear this 101 level. So the tug of war continues, front and back, front and back, front and back, until somebody with significant size steps in, either to buy a lot or to sell a lot. Yeah, Chubi's dead. I'm just gonna forget about Chubi. Just gonna wait for Euro to drop again. Euro holdings, not Euro dollar, yeah. Nothing new coming up on the scans. I checked Hanlon. The graph was pretty bad. Like it's just up. There's no actual buying happening. And the previous days graphs are all just too scrappy. So no, not ideal. Not gonna bother. Oh, HWGB managed to crack 101 finally. How far can it go? Well, it hit 1.02, which is our target for this trade if we stayed in. So yeah, another reason why you should stick to your strategy. Sometimes it's not worth preventing a small loss while giving up a potentially big gain. Oh well. Just gotta learn. That's why you shouldn't just blindly follow me as well. Even though I know the strategy, sometimes emotions get in the way and I break the rules as well, and in this case I get punished because I'm missing the move. In type, selling off a bit. Not much momentum yet. Maybe I'll wait for similar move like yesterday. I'll let it break above. I'll let it show me the momentum first. I'll let it show me the momentum and pull back. And then I will buy the second move up. So I will aim to buy this move instead of this break. So it's clearer, less risky because I know that there is buying momentum, unlike here where it's just flatlining. There's no clear signs of morning momentum right now. So I'll just place an alert at 120 for Bintai so that I know to check up on it after it breaks the resistance. So far, nothing else that I can see. Every other stock has very minimal volume. So yep. Well, it didn't go far, but it did hit our target, so And if you ever want to, or if you ever want to watch the replay, or if you miss any streams, you can just drop by my YouTube channel. I'll post all of it. Yep. Okay. I guess the morning momentum is pretty much uh dead right now. There's not much movement anymore. So I think I'm just gonna end the stream early. Thank you to my supporters, my #1 fan. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you caught something. Hope you played HWGB better than I did. Holding and playing the strategy rather than selling when you're scared. And I unlucky, man. Okay. Looks like HWGB is just trying to climb, slowly grinding all the way up, but yeah, the amount of resistance is just not comfortable, man. But I'll keep an eye on it through the day. I'll keep an eye on HWGB. I'll keep an eye on Bintai, and I'll probably won't keep an eye on Euro anymore. It looks pretty dead to me. Okay. Yeah, I mean, most of the brokers, the info, I mean, in the morning, it can be quite laggy. Even Hong Leong broker, right? The first 2 to 3 minutes, of the day usually has like super slow and laggy orders, where like if the price is $1, the orders are still showing me like 90 cents, 99 cents or something. Cool. Just gonna play the disclaimer one more time. Learn the strategy, don't copy what I do, mainly because there's a delay on stream, so you probably won't catch it anyways. And it's better for you to understand what you're doing and why you're doing it, rather than just following me and hoping it works out. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Wow. Nice timing, bro. Ngam finish, eh? What's up? Hey, join tomorrow at 9 a.m. Not tomorrow, like Monday. Monday 9 a.m. Probably on also. Can restart Okay. Let me turn back time. How do I turn back time? Time settings. I mean, I can recap my trades lah. Okay. Not much action today. Just a quick dip. So overextended stock, a stock that has been running non-stop. So been expecting a dip for quite a while. So when I saw this dip, I tried to buy it. So entering in 2 chunks, and then when the momentum stopped already, I just sell it off for a decent gain, but obviously not ideal because I misclicked my order. The next one is a typical breakout lah. Typical breakout pattern. Morning move, pull back, flat line, and the break. But I didn't really stick to my strategy because I was a bit scared of the amount of resistance. So I sold it when the selling pressure came in. But as you can see, it pushed back up and it hit my target. Actually, my target was actually 1.02. But oh well. How much do the profit today? Follow my Instagram, bro. Perfect segue to promote my Instagram. You want to see how much I've made today? I will post my trades on my Instagram later, and then you can see exactly where I buy, where I sell, and you can see you will know how much I make on the Instagram, dude. Cool. Mining page. Link send to me lah. I haven't seen it. I didn't know. Okay. I go and find later. I try to stalk and see. Since I can see your name already, I'll take this name and I'll search the deep web. I'll find your address as well. Royal Miner. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you've made it this far, shout out to Wyman for being my 100th sub. Okay, ciao man. Okay, I'm gonna go off as well. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow, on Monday.